Hi everybody, it's Miranda and I am here with my baby girl sitting on my lap, and we are doing a nursery room tour and baby pics. She was just born on July 19th, 2019, and her name is Clarissa Faith. So if you hear little baby noises in the background, she's here with me now. My husband and I were expecting her after 18 years of marriage. So she is definitely our little miracle and our little bundle of joy, and we love her so much. She weighed in at 6 pounds, 5 ounces, and she was 18 and 3/4 inches long. And I actually had a really quick labor. It was all natural, medication free, and it was hard, but I made it through by God's grace. Had this precious little baby to show for it, but really my actual labor, or the active labor, the worst part of it, was only about maybe 4 or 5 hours, so I really can't complain. And I have this beautiful, precious baby to show for it. So I just wanted to share a few pictures of her and her little angelic face and let you all see my little Clarissa Faith. And also, I wanted to give a quick little tour of her nursery. And her nursery is done in a lavender and kind of an aqua blue theme. And we are actually renting this house, so we didn't get to redo the carpeting or anything like that, but we did get to do a fresh coat of paint and wall border and decorate with cute little baby girl theme items. And so I'm just kind of going through the room here. When I first walk in, to the left, I've got a little storage, and then straight ahead is her crib. Now she's not sleeping in her crib yet. We still have her in her bassinet. So she's in the bedroom with mom and dad right now. But there's her beautiful little blanket. The one behind there, a friend made, and then the one in front is one that my cousin had made for me with her name on there. And then inside are her little sheep. One of them plays music, and again, she probably won't be in her crib till she's a little bit older, but we're very thankful to already have it in place. And then as we go around the room, in the corner is her little swing, which she loves, and it plays music, and that was gifted to me by a wonderful Christian friend of mine that I'm so thankful for. And we have a beautiful, bright room for her with 2 windows, lots of sunshine, and lots of fun little toys and things to play with. And we were so blessed by so many gifts. And you can see over here's her little dresser, plenty of storage space for a little baby. And we've got her supplies in there, and then a few little things on top. And so this was just a quick little peek at her room. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video.